Hi everyone. So it's Thursday. Oh my gosh, we are halfway through week 4. I wanted to do just a little update here on where we are. First thing, program survey. You should have received an email during week 3 asking for your participation in. Hello everyone and happy Thursday. Just a little check-in here on week 4. Few things, and I have a little note sheet to keep me on track so this message doesn't get super long. You should have received an email during week 3 about the program survey, and if you have not already participated in that, go ahead and do so. Make a point to do it by the end of this weekend. Sunday, 11:59 p.m. is not really kind of a assignment in terms of like for my class where you have to submit something by a due date. This is collected by a colleague, and so just take an hour and just make that happen. It does count for points in the class, but I never see the results. I'll just receive an email with a list of people who have completed the survey, and then I will update your points in either week 5 or 6 when the coordinator of that program has time to kind of go through all the names. I'll get that, and then you'll see your points show up on the grade book. Number 2, mini research project number 1 is due this Sunday, and I've received a couple of emails, but not as many as I thought I would. Maybe you all are brilliant, and I think you are, and that this assignment is no sweat, and it really is more of a lower stakes assignment. This is not a research paper. What I'm really asking you to do is find 2 different theories, compare and contrast those, and then choose a couple of developmental domains and show how they interact within each of those theories. Bring in some outside resources and your textbook. That's it. So very straightforward. Those are due with an extended deadline of Sunday, September 16th. We realized that as graduate teaching associates, we were collaborating, working on this rubric, and we got it up much later than we anticipated. But in general, this rubric will be the same one that we'll use throughout the semester. So I gave a couple of days extension on that because I thought it was fair and right. But if you do have any questions, concerns, send me an email with specific questions. If you have a draft of your project already going, it's just a simple PowerPoint, anywhere from a handful of slides up to 7, I think I said. Send that to me and I can give you some specific feedback on that, and I'm more than happy to do so. So don't wait till Sunday like at 10 o'clock at night because I won't probably respond. So moving on to point number 3, your grades. So your quiz grades are showing up just fine. Your discussion boards are not, and I left voice comments for everyone, kind of to let you know how you're doing in the discussion boards. And again, I hadn't heard from anybody, so I thought everything was good. But also I know that we're getting to know each other in terms of you don't know how I grade or how quickly I grade. Well, I will let you know I'm a quick grader. So and when our discussion boards end on Friday at 11:59 p.m., I take the weekend and Monday to really work through everybody's, give you feedback where feedback is needed, and you have everything by Tuesday morning. So I know that you all didn't know that about me and how I grade. So if you kind of been waiting, like, when's Miss Tierney going to put some stuff up? Yeah, it was already up, but for some reason, you all can't see it. So I will be going in, redoing all of that work apparently. But that's okay. I want you all to know where you stand in the class at all times, or as quickly as I can, so you all are informed and you know that you can calculate your grade and make informed decisions about your education if you need to do that. So I think that's all for this message. Pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, always feel free to email. Have a great Thursday and the weekend. Thanks.